This video is for quadratics in vertex form. Sorry if I get straight up here. And so if you remember from your notes, vertex form is y equals ax minus h squared plus k. And so the h and the k are the vertex, okay? So what we can do to find the vertex, I'm going to write that up here. So h and k are our vertex. And so to find your vertex, you just pull those 2 points out. Now remember, they're going to be the opposite. So this is my h and this is my k. So if this is a positive 3, my x is going to be a negative 3. And then this one stays, this would be a negative 21. And so my vertex would be at negative 3, negative 21. All right, and then let's see which other one's on this page. Let's go ahead and look at this one. So again, this is my h and this is my k. So x would be a negative 7, y would be a negative 5. So my vertex would be at negative 7, negative 5. And so the other thing I want to look at is writing quadratic functions in vertex form. So this one, we're going to go the long way around. We're going to do it by hand. So we're going to FOIL on this one. And so if I multiply the first, x times x, I get x squared. And then I can do the outside. So 2 times x, which would give me 2x. And then negative 8 times x, which is a negative 8x. And then negative 8 times a positive 2 gives me a negative 16. All right, and then what you can do from here is you can, we've got to combine like terms. So we would have x squared, and then positive 2x and a negative 8x would give me a negative 6x minus 16. So remember, to find the vertex, we can do negative b divided by 2a. So I would have a 6 divided by 2, and that would be my x. And then I can solve for the y by plugging this 3 into my quadratic. So I would have 3 squared minus 6 times 3 minus 16. So my y is going to be negative 25. So now I can write this in vertex form. So it would be x minus 3 squared. So remember, this is a positive 3. I have to make it a negative 3 there. Sorry, guys. And then the k, we just tack on to the end. So there's multiple ways that you can do this. That's one way. And then finally, the other way that you may see these is when they give you points. And so let me see if I can find one here. Let's stick with what we've got. So that's it for this video.